Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to save Google Photos to your iPhone gallery. Now, let's say this is the photo that I wanted to save to the gallery on my iPhone. You can see the clouds here, but if I open up the Photos app on my iPhone, it doesn't exist in the Photos app. So it's only in Google Photos. It's not on my iPhone. There are two different ways we can go through the process of saving this from Google Photos to my iPhone or Android. So we can tap on that photo if it's just one photo, and you'll be able to see at the very top right, let's tap on those three dots. You can see top right, just tap on those three dots. And now at the very bottom, you can see download. I can just tap on that download button and it will download it to my phone. However, let's say there are multiple different photos. I can press and hold on this photo and then choose multiple different ones if I wanted to. And now it'll give me some options at the bottom, but we don't want any of these. We want to just swipe all the way over. And there you can see is Save to Device. I can tap on Save to Device, and then it will go through the process and it says Images Saved to Camera Roll. So if I open up the Photos app here, you can see there is that photo that wasn't on my iPhone, but only on Google Photos. Again, you can do this for just one photo or video or across all of them. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.